Alright, so today we're going to install this RVLock, this electronic lock on this older 2007 Freedom Express Class C motorhome. This will replace just a standard old manual lock that the key was getting really worn down in. So we needed an upgrade. Either it was going to be a new key or we might as well go something like this. I got it in a Black Friday special. Came in about a week and looks pretty good. Came with 4 fobs. Seems excessive, but we'll take it. First thing we'll do is remove this old lock. Pretty rough shape. Try and clean up a little bit too. Get these old pins out. We had to. Get some pliers. And then kind of scrape away this muck that was on top of that. Some old butyl or something. Install the outside of the new handle. It looks good, except that we do have a small gap on the top. Looks like whoever just cut out the last handle just kind of did a poor job of it. So we're going to have to fill that in. But it fits. So we'll go ahead and take the screws out of the bag. Get these side screws in first. Make sure you get the cross thread. We still have this gap to deal with, but it's not too bad. So now we'll connect up the inner plate. And then I'll fight with trying to align these handles for a little bit. Once that's on there, we make sure that the latch works. We'll grab our 3 inner screws. Get those put in. Tighten everything up with a standard screwdriver. And of course, doesn't close. Because why would anything work right the first time? So we're initially going to think it's my brackets too wide, but it looks like we can just adjust these DOT bars. Extend them out a little bit, just with the Allen key. Turns and everything works. So we'll take the new pins out and we're just going to compare them to the old pins, make sure they're the same length. They are. Put them back in, make sure everything closes nicely. So the default code on these is 1234. Make sure it locks. 1234 again, and the unlock button to open it. Looks good. Okay, time to program some remotes. So I'm just going to use my multimeter lead here to press this learn button. Hit that once. Hit the lock on the remote. You'll hear a beep. Hit it again to lock. Unlock to unlock. Looks good. Program up another remote. Get that done. We're going to clean up our mess. Put everything back where it belongs. Clean up all our trash. Close everything up. And we're done.